Hello students, welcome to online education. Subject Mathematics. Standard 7, Chapter 2, Fractions and Decimals, Session 6. In today's session, I will let you know about the division of fractions, how we can do divisions with the fractions. Let's start. In division of fractions, the sign of division turns into multiplication and the fraction lies after the sign is reciprocal. Suppose we have to do 2 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 5. Here are two fractions and we have to divide. So, the first step will be that the sign of this division turns into multiplication. So, in next step, we will write 2 upon 7. Instead of division, we will write multiplication. Then, the fraction lies after the sign. The fraction was after division sign was 3 upon 5. So, we will reciprocal it, that is 5 upon 3. Then, we will multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. This is the method of doing division of fractions. Now what is reciprocal? Reciprocal of a fraction is a new fraction in which the places of the numerator and denominator are interchanged. Means in reciprocal we are interchanging the places of numerator and denominator and then we obtain a new fraction. It means in new fraction the numerator of the previous fraction becomes the denominator of the new fraction and denominator of the previous fraction becomes numerator of the new fraction. जैसे कि अगर मैंने लिखा 2 upon 7, अभी रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो फिर एक नया फ्रैक्शन मिलेगा, isn't it? 2 upon 7. अभी नया फ्रैक्शन में क्या होगा, यहाँ पर जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर हो जाएगा और यहाँ जो न्यूमरेटर है वो यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 2 upon 7 is 7 upon 2. Reciprocal of a fraction is also its multiplicative inverse. If we are multiplying 2 upon 7 by 7 upon 2, then the product which we will get will be 1, because 7 divided by 7 is 1 and 2 divided by 2 is also 1. So 1 divided by 1. So it is also called the multiplicative inverse of the fraction. Next, reciprocal of 0 does not exist and reciprocal of 1 is 1, because 1 upon 1 is also 1. So these are the basic properties of reciprocals. Then, to divide a whole number by any fraction. Now let's go with the few steps of divisions. Here first we have to divide a whole number by any fraction. Suppose we are having 2 divided by 3 upon 7. Multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. So if we have to divide a whole number by a fraction, then what we will do? We will multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. As I told you just before a single minute that the sign turns into multiplication and the number fraction lies will be a sign after reciprocal. Okay. So here 7 2s are 14 upon 3. Got it? Here I am having example 7 divided by 2 upon 5. So 7 into 5 upon 2. So it becomes 7 5s are 35 upon 2. And as the rule said that an improper fraction should be converted into mixed fraction. So it will be 17 1 upon 2. Whenever you are having your answer in improper fraction, then convert it into mixed fraction. पहले क्या करना है, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, उसके बाद मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में. गॉट इट? While dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction, first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then solve it. Suppose here I am having 6 divided by 5 1 upon 3. This is the fraction. So for solving this we have to convert it into an improper fraction, है ना. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन क्या है? इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का ही एक फॉर्म है, तो हमें वापस उसको इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है और जैसा हमने यहाँ किया फर्स्ट वाले प्रॉपर्टी में वैसे डिवाइड करना है. ओके, सो 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 1 upon 3. Got it? So it becomes 6 into 16 upon 3. No, here divide. Now 6 into 3 upon 16. Got it? Now 2 3s are 6 and 2 8s are 16. So 9 upon 8. Here 9 upon 8 is in already simplest form. तो हम यहाँ पर इसको क्या करेंगे? मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में 1 upon 8. Got it? This is how we can do the fraction of a whole number and a fraction. Now I will tell you about fraction of a division by a fraction. So here I am having 3 upon 4 divided by 2 upon 5. Okay. Now as per the rule, the sign turns into multiplication and 5 by 2. The fraction is reciprocal. So 15 upon 8. Now it doesn't have any common factor rather than 1. So let's convert it to mixed fraction because it is an improper fraction. So 8 1s are 8 and 7 upon 8. Got it? Then now let's do the sums of exercise 2.4 which are based on the division. In question number 1 we have to find 12 divided by 3 upon 4, 14 divided by 5 upon 6, 8 divided by 7 upon 3, 4 divided by 8 upon 3, 3 divided by 2 1 upon 3 and 5 divided by 3 4 upon 7. All are the division of whole number by a fraction. So let's do one by one. First, 12 divided by 3 upon 4. So 12 multiplied, then reciprocal of 3 upon 4, that is 4 upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So 4 4s are 16. Clear? So here the quotient will be 16. Got it? Then next is 14 divided by 5 upon 6. So 14 into 6 upon 5. So there is no common factor of 14 and 5 and 6 and 5. So we will directly multiply the whole number by the numerator. So 14 6 ja 84 upon 5. Clear? Now it is an improper fraction. So let's convert it into a mixed fraction. So 84 divided by 5. Here I did the division. So 16 4 upon 5. Clear? It's too simple. Little bit attention you have to pay only. Next is 8 divided by 7 upon 3. So 8 multiplied by 3 upon 7. Then 24 upon 7. 7 3s are 21. Remainder is 3 3 upon 7. Got it? Easy na? Then 4 divided by 8 upon 3. So 4 multiplied by 3 upon 8. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 by 2. That is 1, 1 by 2. Then 3 divided by 2, 1 upon 3. Now first we have to convert this into an improper fraction. So 3 divided by 2 3 is 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3. है ना? Now let's do 3 multiplied by 3 upon 7. So 9 upon 7. 1, 2 upon 7 in mixed fraction. Okay? It's too simple. Then the last one is 5 divided by 3, 4 upon 7. So 5 divided by 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4, 25 upon 7. So 5 into 7 upon 25. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. So 7 upon 5, improper fraction again. So 1, 2 upon 5. Clear? Now question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions and classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fraction and whole numbers. And you all know about the proper fraction, improper fraction and whole number. So you can easily recognize. Let's do the solution. First, reciprocal of 3 upon 7. It will be 7 upon 3. And which kind of fraction it is? An improper fraction, because numerator is greater than denominator. Then reciprocal of 5 upon 8. 8 upon 5. Again an improper fraction. Okay. Then 9 upon 7. So 7 upon 9. Here we can get that reciprocal of an improper fraction is always a proper fraction, and reciprocal of a proper fraction is always an improper fraction. Got it? Then 6 upon 5. Again 5 upon 6, proper fraction. Then 12 upon 7. So 7 upon 12, proper fraction. Then 1 upon 8. And one more thing, the reciprocal of a unit fraction is always a whole number. 1 upon 8, which kind of fraction it is? It is an unit fraction, isn't it? So, iska reciprocal kya hoga? 8 upon 1 or 8, and it is a whole number. Reciprocal of 1 upon 11, again 11. So, thus we got that reciprocal of a proper fraction is always an improper fraction, and reciprocal of an improper fraction is always a proper fraction, and reciprocal of a unit fraction is always a whole number. Got it? So these things you have to keep in mind, because these kind of questions you can get in your exam, like MCQs, fill-ups, true false. So these are the objectives. Then question 3, find. Here we have to do the division. Here we have to divide a fraction by a whole number. Doesn't matter. The rule will still same, which we were applying for the division of a whole number by a fraction. Okay, the first is 7 upon 3 divided by 2. So 7 upon 3. See, if we are having a whole number, then I told you in the very beginning of this chapter that a whole number can be written as a fraction by taking the denominator as 1. एक whole number को हम fraction में लिख सकते हैं उसके denominator को 1 करके. Clear? Because all numbers are divisible by 1. So we can keep the denominator as 1. Okay? So 7 upon 3 divided by 2. So here we can write 2 upon 1. So 7 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2. है ना? तो 7 upon 6 और 1 upon 6. Got it? Then 4 upon 9 divided by 5. Again 4 upon 9 multiplied by 1 upon 5. So 4 upon 45. It is a proper fraction. Then third, 6 upon 13 divided by 7. So 6 upon 13 multiplied by 1 upon 7. So answer will be 6 upon 91. Then 4 1 upon 3 divided by 3. So first let's convert it into an improper fraction. So 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, 3, 13 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3. So 13 upon 9, so 9 1, 4 upon 9. Clear? What is here? Then 3 1 upon 2 divided by 4. 2 3 just 6, 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. So 7 upon 4, sorry. So 7 upon 8. Proper fraction, so it will be remain as it is. Then 4 3 upon 7 divided by 7. So 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3. 31 upon 7 into 1 upon 7. Clear? So 31 upon 49. It is a proper fraction, so no need to convert it into. Okay? Then question number 4. Here we have to do the division of a fraction by a fraction. So let's do the solution one by one. First is 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. So 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2 upon 1. So 4 upon 5. Then 4 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. Now 4 upon 9 divided by 3 upon 2. 3 3 ja 9. 2 2 ja 4. So the answer will be 2 upon 3. Easy na? So 3 upon 7 divided by 8 upon 7. So 3 upon 7 into 7 upon 8. Reciprocal of 8 upon 7. 7 7 cancel. Answer will be 3 upon 8. Got it? Then 2 1 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 5. So 2 3 just 6, 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 3 into 5 upon 3. So 7 5s are 35. 35 upon 9. Now let's divide 35 by 9. So we will get here 3 8 upon 9. Clear? 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 upon 3. So 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 2 multiplied by 3 upon 8. So 21 upon 16 or 1 5 upon 16. Clear? Then 2 upon 5 divided by 1 1 upon 2. So 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2 upon 3. So 4 upon 15. Clear? Next is 3 1 upon 5 divided by 1 2 upon 3. So 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16 upon 5 multiplied by 3 1 ja 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 upon 3 इसका इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन क्या होगा 5 अपॉन 3 और उसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा 3 अपॉन 5. क्लियर? तो 16 3 जा 48 अपॉन 25 और इसका मिक्स फ्रैक्शन 123 अपॉन 25. गॉट इट? देन 2 1 अपॉन 5 divided by 1 1 upon 5. So 11 upon 5 multiplied by 5/6 है ना, उसका रेसिप्रोकल 5/6, 5 5 11/6. Here I am doing directly, okay, but you have to mention the step. एग्जाम में कितने मार्क का क्वेश्चन होता है उस पर डिपेंड करता है, क्योंकि स्टेप मार्किंग होती है. सो फॉर 2 marks sum you have to write at least 4 to 5 steps. Okay, so first step will be converting of mixed fraction into improper fraction, then changing the sign and reciprocaling the fraction, then find the product and then mixed fraction. Then how many steps are there? 4 steps are there, so you can easily get the 2 marks. Or got it? Next, so here we have completed our exercise. So enough for today. In next exercise we will do the rest of the sums. Till then, be safe, be at home. Thank you.